Hello guys, welcome to my small YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna unbox and open some mainline cars, DIECAST car, that we're gonna place on our Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. We have here 3 pieces of Hot Wheels mainline cars. All of them are Mercedes-Benz. And we also have here 1 piece of Matchbox, also Mercedes-Benz. This is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake. And we have here another CLA, Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a 2026 card. And we have here Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG 1989, and we also have Mercedes-Benz 500E, and we already have some loose DIECAST car that we already placed on our showroom diorama. This is 560 SEC AMG, same unit but different color. And another 560 SEC AMG, blue one. So we have a gray one and black one, and we're gonna add blue colors also. 560 SEC AMG, and this one is 2019 A-Class. Yeah, it's A-Class Mercedes-Benz. We're gonna do first this one, the Matchbox. Let's unbox it. Oh, look at that. There's a emblem at the back, and there's details of what you call that, tail light, but it doesn't have details of number plate. And at the back there's details of headlight and emblem. Also the grille are detailed. And this is the Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake from Matchbox, 2020 model. Nice. So we're gonna park it on our Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. We're gonna put blue tack later, adhesive, so it won't move every time we move our diorama, or every time we lift it, the diorama itself. So now let's move on to the next one. Here's the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. As I mentioned earlier, this is the same unit with these 2 DIECAST car, but it has different color. This one is a blue one, so we're gonna park this one next to the black one. So let's open this one. Look at that. Sorry, my camera won't autofocus. It has a detail of headlight, indicator light, and emblem at the front, and at the back it has a detail of taillight, and it has a number plate indicating AMG, or there's a written AMG on it, and also emblem and the badge 560 SEC, and another AMG on that side on the upper portion of the right taillight, but my camera won't autofocus, so it's not really visible. Yeah, my camera won't autofocus, I don't know why. So this is the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. So let's park it. Nice. So let's move on to the next one. We have here the Mercedes-Benz 500E. Nice. Let's open it. Look at that. Dark gray, I mean. It has a detail of headlight, indicator, and emblem. Also the grille is detailed, and at the back there's a emblem and also Hot Wheels logo, and the badge 500E, and also the tail light is detailed. It has silver mags. Nice. It has a number plate but no written on it, just a white color. So this is the 500E Mercedes-Benz. So let's park it in between the CLA and the 560 SEC. Nice. So our parking lot is now occupied, no more space available, and we only have one left, and we're gonna place it inside the showroom. This is the Mercedes-Benz CLA 2026 card, so we're gonna place it inside the showroom. So again guys, this is the Mercedes-Benz CLA. It is coming from Hot Wheels Euro and 2026 card. So let's open it. Look at that. It has a number 68 on top of the bonnet, and there's a Hot Wheels logo. Even here, also on the other side, there's a Hot Wheels logo and number 68. Nice. And there's a badge in here, Mercedes-Benz, on top of the spoiler. Sorry guys if my camera won't autofocus, Every time I move the diecast car near the camera, it looks blurred. So yeah, this is the Mercedes-Benz CLA. I like the spoiler, and it has a badge on it on top of the spoiler, Mercedes-Benz. Looks colorful, eh? It has a black wheels at the back, and at the front it has a color orange with a combination of white color, I mean. Nice. So we're gonna place it inside the showroom diorama, but first we're gonna open the front. There you go. So we're gonna park it now. We're gonna place it like that, so it is visible when we close the front door, because if we place this one in here, you can see this one, it will block the diecast car. So that's why I decided to place it on that side. So we are now done, guys, placing our additional diecast car on our Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. And as you can see inside the showroom, there's still a lot of there's still more space available. So we need to hunt more Mercedes-Benz diecast car 1/64 scale, so we can add it in here on our showroom diorama. But as we can see, our parking area is now occupied. There's no more space, but I think we can still place some diecast car in here if we already occupied the inner part of the Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and enjoyed it. If you like it, please hit like button, and if you are interested in this kind of video content, diecast car hunting, diecast car collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video in this channel. Again, thank you so much, guys, and happy hunting to everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Sorry, it's DJ.